Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and allow your hands to rest loosely in your lap. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and tummy expand as you fill them with air. Slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all the air and any tension you may be holding. Repeat this deep breathing 2 more times. Imagine a root growing from the base of your spine, extending downwards, entering the earth beneath you. Visualize it reaching deep into the soil, anchoring you firmly to the ground. Feel the stability and support of the earth. With each breath, become more aware of your surroundings. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin, the sounds around you, distant and close. Each breath helps you become more present, more connected to the now. Shift your focus back to your body. Notice any areas that feel tight or uncomfortable and send your breath to these areas. With each exhale, imagine releasing these tensions, feeling lighter and more relaxed. Gradually bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes and take one final deep breath. Carry this sense of grounded presence with you throughout the day.